Assalamualaikum and very good evening. My name is Najiha and this is my partner Nadia. Sorry. Okay, our project is about AR library, which is we are using Unity and Euphoria, augmented reality. Okay, this is our abstract. Mobile application has become more popular and become more popular and persuasive object as soon as people use mobile phone, smartphone, and PDAs anywhere. The objective for this application is to develop AR library application that allow user to search book using AR interaction. Oh my god. To investigate it using these apps can make the student excited to go library. It kind of interactive way for student to search books. Okay. This is our problem statement. Usually student very hard to find books in one library. One books in one library. Because there are so many books in library. So our apps make students easy to find their books in the right shelf. Sini je lah. Okay, actually this is a collaboration with IMU. Kenapa tak ada? Okay, biar sini je. Okay. Okay, actually MU as our client, they want to locate the bookshelf using their subcategory. But we are using book title as our target. So we define each books in their row and column. We are using AD model for this apps. How it works, first, we have this application. You need to open the apps, enter the book name, title of the book, and then the details will be appear. In the details, it gives you the details of books. So it said that the location are, for example, rugby, row 2, and bay 2. So the student need to go to the exact location, and then start scan. After you start scan, you just use your phone, look like this, and then the AR application, AR apps appear. We have the video for you to more understand about this. Okay, this is the example. They open the new application, AR library, enter the book title, student can find their title in opaque system. In this part, as you can see, the details over here. So the student just refer to this. This is IMU library. Yeah. This is the detail of book. I give you the details of RAP and the books. Okay, this is the last example. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Two versions of the same books. Yeah. The AR appears in each book. So if they have the same, the AR also appear.
It'll highlight all books.
Yeah.
Any bugs that you want to tell us about still in?
What?
Any bugs in the software? Software bugs? Any still problems? Bugs? What?
Oh, errors for now. For now we don't have error, but I think AR usually play with the lighting. If the place is dark, so it's so hard to scan actually.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's fair enough. That's okay. So that's something outside your control.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I just like to understand it a little bit better. So you have, once you key in the book name, do you have to key in the exact name, or if you just have a random idea of the book name, can you also key in?
Yeah, the right name for the books.
It has to be the exact name.
Yeah.
And then it will show the location.
Yeah.
And then you walk to where the location is. And then you use your marker to, around the same location, you use the marker.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So if, let's say, you don't know the exact name, would you be able to use the app then?
No, because for us this is the first phase. So user need to go to OPEC first, search the name of title, copy that, and copy to these apps.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in OPEC it doesn't show the location.
No.
Okay. All right.
Okay,
Thanks.
thank you.
Impact.
We didn't do yet. Later we do about the questionnaire, all the. Okay, thank you.
Is there any questions from the floor?
Yeah. Okay, actually, the library also need to apa? To give the instruction actually for the student. For example, they said that this is route A, route B, and route C. So for the student, easy to find because our apps only give details about route A, route B, or route C. Just that. Yeah. Yes. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies. That definitely makes our search for books in the library significantly easier. So our next contestant is Muhammad Shahrul Nizam bin Muhammad Ishaq with his project IMU Library App.
Okay, hello and good evening. Okay, my name is Sharul. Okay, I will presenting the IMU library apps. Okay. Okay, actually this app already being released in the Google Play Store. Okay, this is a free apps that aim to help the IMU clinician, medical student, nurse, and other healthcare professional to find to quick, convenient, and relevant access to the clinical resource. Okay, through this app, okay, student can get the e-resource. Okay, they also can use some of the library services. Okay, next. Okay, the main objective when we create this mobile app is first is to create the mobile platform in order to enhance library service to the user. Okay, as we know, most of the us have already mobile apps. Okay, every morning what we check will be the notification. We check our mobile apps, what happened in there. Okay, so our objective is to give some information regarding the library, and maybe they can also use the service through the apps. Okay, so second is to promote library resources and mobile application. Okay, we have numbers of the e-journal, e-books. Okay, we also have some third-party application. Okay, through this app, we give them the shortcut. Okay, a shortcut to access that kind of resources. Okay, and the third one is it also act as a platform to for user to communicate with librarian to smartphone. Okay, one of the features in this app is the article request. Okay, we receive a lot of articles from the student and the faculty staff. Okay, through this mobile app, okay, they can request the article anywhere and anytime. Okay, next. Okay, this is the system requirement. Okay, minimum we target for the Android 4.42, which is the KitKat. All right, it requires at least 1 gig of RAM and free space up to 50 megabyte. And of course, it needs the internet connection to connect with the server. Okay, this is among the function of our apps. First is enable user to request the scholarly article anytime, anywhere through the article request. I will show later. Okay, the second one is provide quick access to online database. Okay, they no need to put the URL. Okay, to our library website. Okay, and enable convenient mobile access to catalog. Okay, through this application, they also can access to our OPEC database. Okay, and also link user to IMU library social media such as the Facebook, Blogspot, and Twitter. Okay, I'm going to show you the demonstration of the apps. Okay, not showing. This one is attended. Okay. Extended. Okay, this is the library apps. Okay, we actually designed this for the smartphone. So when you use in the tab or you use in the bigger screen, it will cost something like this lah. It's really a bigger interface. Okay, Okay, basically we support three main functions, which is iLog, which is our access to the OPEC database. The second in the online database, with access to the e-resources. And the third one is the article request, okay, where the user can request the article to the librarian. Okay, I'm going to show you the iLog. Okay, I don't know why it's not working. Okay, I think just show you the video. Okay, we're going through the second one, online database. Okay, in the online database, we give them access to search the e-resources, which is the article, such as journal article, e-books. Okay, then there is also the online database apps, which been provided from our third-party publisher. Okay, so they can use their own, we can use their own apps to search their resources. Okay, I'm going to show you the search the e-resources. When you click the search e-resources, it automatically bring you to the browsers. Okay, it will open in the apps inside. Will open the external browsers. Okay, after that, okay, you have to key in the ID and password. I guess I need to change the password later. Okay. Okay, this is the interface to search the article. Okay, for example, we take to the medicine. Okay. So from here, they can directly download the PDF. Okay, they can access the full text and all the article they need. Okay, let's go back to the apps. Okay, the second one is will direct user to the Google Store so they can download the third-party mobile application. So I'm giving you an example, the clinical key. Okay, we will open it in the Google Play, so the user can install it from here. All right. So as for the iLog, actually we cannot access because probably this one is the it's not the mobile interface. That's why there's a problem there. I will show you the video later. Okay, the third one is the article request. Okay, currently we have the article using the camera, which means they can capture some image and send the image to us, which is to the librarian, so they can search whatever they need, then send them back to the email. Okay, currently it's in the beta testing, so there is some certain problem there. Okay, I just show you the demonstration. I think it's this one better through the video, using the video. Okay, they're going to the image camera. When they click on the camera icon there, they can take some picture, probably a book or a journal or everything they need. Okay, then they need to fill their name, their student ID and staff ID, and also the IMU email, because we only entertain the staff and student from the MU. Okay. Okay, after they submit, they will upload the image to the server, and the image will be sent to us directly to the email. Okay. Once we receive, we will reply to them and give them what they need. Okay, the second one is the form request. Okay, form request is very simple. Okay, they just access to the form. Okay, they need to key in the title, key in their name and their email. Okay, once they send it to us, we get the email and we give them back the article they need. Okay, send to us. Okay, the next one is contact us, which is simple, which means they can use these apps to directly to contact us through phone, through email, and also we'll open up the GPS to find the library here. Okay, show you the demo video. Okay, from the contact us, and they click here, they will bring just to how to call us. They can also access to the email directly. Okay, we also have this location, so they can click, just open up a GPS and just show us the location of IMU library. Okay, the last one will be access to the social media. Okay, this one also simple, just to access our blogspot. Also open up the Facebook apps. And finally, to access our Twitter, so they can get update information from the library. Okay, this app using the Android Studio. Okay, we're using the concept of hybrid mobile application, which means the combination of native apps and also the HTML5. Okay, testing. Okay, most of the content has been built using the HTML5, and then we will embed it using to the native apps. Okay. The next. Okay, this is the statistic of our user. Okay, we received a lot of downloader on March. Okay, then it's continue until today. For our future development, okay, the next thing we want to put up will be, of course, the push-up notification. Push-up notification is to send the message directly to the user or to the downloader, so we can give them, for example, we want to send information like you have a due book, okay, or perhaps you need to return, okay, that kind of thing. The second one is to integrate with our new library system, which is Koha system. Okay. The last one will be to make sure it's available for the iOS. Currently, the app's only available in the Google Play Store. Okay. This app has been developed by all the library team. Okay. This is our team. Okay. It's all the library in the IMU. All right, that's all. Thank you.
Now I would like to open the floor for any questions for Encik Sharul Nizam.
I think it's around almost 500. Yes, correct.
Some work to do, because how many students and staff are there? 3,000 or 4,000.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Any bugs?
Yes.
Did you find any bugs in the system?
Yes. Currently, it's connected to the iLog system, so
Yeah.
they can find all the book there.
Okay.
It's just a normal searching. Sorry, I think I skipped that one. Let me show. Okay, this one to access to our iLog system. When they click in the iLogs, okay, they can search all the book title there and find the
Okay.
result.
I miss one question. Why would you use the app as opposed to just going to the library URL and just browsing like a normal browser?
Okay.
What advantages does it give you over going to the URL? And I'm lazy. I always just go to the URL and don't bother downloading the app. So why should I download the app?
Okay, actually, this app will connect to the library system. Okay, this one is not 100% complete. Okay, because currently we're changing from the Virtua to the Koha library system. Once it's complete, okay, our aim is the main aim is the notification. Okay, when we send the email to everyone, like the book is overdue, they have fine to pay to the email, most of the users did not read the email. Okay, correct? So our aim is to give the notification to them to make sure they know when their due date, when they have to pay and everything. All right. Okay, thank you.
Are there any more questions?
Yeah, I thought,
Okay.
just want to know what is so special about your apps compared to all the apps that is other universities are using, no? That's number one. Number two, why only Android? Do you not you focusing on iOS users and so on? Maybe.
Okay. Okay. For the question number one, okay, I think the advantage of these apps to other universities is that so user can get first the notification, of course, okay, so they know when they can return the book, okay, when they need to renew, okay. I think not many libraries have that kind of apps, so I think that's kind of special lah. I think it's special. Okay. The second question is why not iOS? There is some limitation in the iOS. To publish iOS, you need to have the MacBook, all right? You have the Mac account, which currently we in the progress to get it. So we plan to release in the iOS in the next year. Okay.
Okay, if there are no further questions, I would like to thank Encik Sharul Nizam for his presentation. Talk about bringing the library to your smartphone. Is there any more questions? Okay, with that, I would like to invite the final contestant, Encik Izwan Shah bin his project, Organic Chemistry.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good evening to all. My name is Izwan Shah. I'm one of the participants for this project, collaboration between University Putra Malaysia, UPM, and MMU. Okay, so actually organic chemistry reaction application, Okay, so organic chemistry reaction application with the acronym OCRA has been designed to run on any mobile device with touchscreen commands, where it is developed using Androids and with the platform of Unity. All right. So actually, organic chemistry. Why we choose organic chemistry? Because as we all know that organic chemistry is a core subject for science-based courses starting from secondary school until the university level. So a lot of students can gain or get the benefits from this, hopefully. So in organic chemistry, student needs to understand how to select electrons that should be moved and rearrange the atom or molecule after forming or breaking apart the covalent bonds to yield final product. This is called mechanism. So by traditional method, teachers usually will use books or models to show this mechanism. But students cannot apply or cannot see, to fail to see the organic reaction mechanism in the same way as their teacher is. So hopefully by this OCRA, students can clearly see, visualize how the molecule are structured or how product is formed from the reactant. Okay, so I think we can straight away goes to OCRA itself, the application itself. Ini out dah. So, Okra is a unique mobile application that allows its users to create their own organic molecules. So we have several buttons here which have certain application where for the first one, Lewis structure, student can be able to construct their own Lewis structure. In traditional method, students should know what are the sequences, how to develop a molecule. But by using this application, it can use their knowledge by just hands-on, meaning that they no need to memorize. No rote learning is required here. They can apply this concept, and by then, because when we click this plus button, it can show all the atom or need to be done in the to construct the molecule with its lone pair molecule, its lone pair electron. So no need any memorization is needed here. So for in this Lewis structure, it use game-like mobile application where student there is several questions. There is questions. For example, construct. Okay, construct this molecule. So for example, student can just take H. Already show that it has one lone pair. Then Br. Edit element. So it can rotate, it can flip. It very what? Apa kita nak cakap? Dia sangat mudah lah, mudah pengguna. Yeah, thank you very much. User friendly. Okay, so after that, after student has construct the molecule, student can check either the question is, either the answer is right or wrong. If the student construct, if they construct the wrong answer will appear. But if they construct the right answer, automatically the question will go to the molecular geometry of the Lewis structure. For example, here linear, it has diagonal, pyramidal, octahedral, and it is what dia berubah-ubah untuk setiap soalan. Randomize, and then dia akan keluarkan lah. Di mana this application is first in the world. If you see in the Google Play and so on, you can tengok dia hanya 2D je. Maksudnya dia tak boleh gerak-gerak. It cannot move. But here it has visualization, it can have move, and it have gamification application. For more, after it can go until apa? Soalan seterusnya. Yes. Sorry? Sorry. So it can go to other questions. Construct CH4, for example. Ideal, please construct CH4. I want to show here the very important point is that if we use chalk and talk, using the whiteboard or a book, it can only show the Lewis structure, where the Lewis structure is a two-dimensional structure. From here, students have to memorize. Actually, what is the molecular geometry for CH4? They must memorize or try to recall. But by using this Okra, after they check, they can just click tetrahedral, and it has in their mind. It shows visualization what actually is CH4 is like. Okay, so we have basic type of reaction in organic chemistry, that is substitution, elimination, and addition. So we also include this into Okra. So from this type of reaction, student can know or it can show the example of type of substitution, type of elimination. For example, we want to do one example for addition reaction. Okay, kita buat satu addition. Okay, first, student must construct CH2 plus HCl. The double bond. H2. HCl. Okay. CH2 ada dua. Satu lagi satu. Satu lagi. Satu kena. Okay, okay. Yes. Yeah. Because I want to show all of you how teacher can use this okra to show from the reaction how the product is formed. But if you use only chalk and talk, student just memorize. But from this, student have visualized, so it can show and understand more clearly how the product is from the reactant. And all of this student can do by themselves. So the teachers only react as a facilitator only in the class. No one-way direction. But so the class will be more active, active learning. Okay. Yeah, for example. So from the question, the question asks, what happened when CH2 react with HCl? So the teacher will explain that this reaction is an addition reaction. Addition reaction is when unsaturated compound becomes saturated, meaning that from the double bond, it will break their bond to form H here and one Cl. Adil, can you show? So from that, students have visualized and it will be more meaningful learning. Okay. And one more, we have a sandbox here, where in this sandbox, student or teachers can ask the student to construct any type of molecules that to help their teaching and learning. I think that's all. Any questions from the floor?
Is there any questions from the floor for Encik Izwan?
Okay. Any bugs? Any bugs still in the program? Any bugs, software problems still to be fixed?
Hi. Thank you. I think it's a good. It looks like a good app. But I'm just wondering. I'm not from the science background. I'm more interested in the teaching and learning approach. So, would you describe the ideal situation where this app will be adding value to a class or outside of class learning? Yeah, thank you.